Hi, my name is Misty Page, and I am the STEM teacher at Anna High School, and this is the STEM Program of Study presentation. Students who graduate from the Project Lead the Way engineering program are thriving. This kind of education prepares students for engineering universities, architectural schools, or any kind of STEM profession. PLTW students learn to think differently, push boundaries, think outside the box, and solve problems using the activity, project, problem-based learning approach. In Introduction to Engineering Design, students dig deep into the engineering design process, applying math, science, and engineering standards to hands-on projects like designing a new toy or improving an existing product.
Hi, I'm Jamie.
I'm Lane.
And this is PLTW Introduction to Engineering Design. Right now in this class, we're putting together this thing called a tramway toy, and it moves in a circular motion. And it's a little flimsy, but 3D printing isn't always perfect. So we model these in our engineering notebooks that are very important, and then we take those measurements, or we measure it, and then we take the measurements and put them into a 3D CAD modeling system called Fusion 360, and this is where we put all of our designs in and we make everything, and this is the files we use to 3D print everything.
This is called an automata. It's used to study motion, and pieces are laser cut, and also it has these pieces in here that you 3D model, and we're going to measure them, and then on the front it has all of the graphs for the motion. And this is Fusion 360, and then this is one of our measurements that has been 3D printed, and also there's that one.
This is a project we did we made charms for our partners in this class, and this is Lane's.
This is an FFA Creed book for my friend and partner Hayden.
And then this is my milk carton for my partner Juliet. So in this class, it's a really hands-on experience, and you'll learn a lot about how to put things together, and just you'll gain a deeper respect for engineering because you realize it gives you a deeper understanding of how things in the world are made and what engineering is really all about. And yeah, it's a really fun class, and I think if you're a problem solver and you have a really intuitive mind, this class is the best for you. Bye.
In aerospace engineering, students explore the physics of flight and bring what they are learning to life through hands-on projects like designing a glider and creating a program for an autonomous space rover.
My name is Cam.
My name is Jaden.
And this is aerospace engineering. And some of the stuff that we've been doing in class this year, we've actually made a glider out of balsa wood, and we test flew it, and that was really fun. And we also did a flight simulator, air traffic control simulator, where we had to, where the planes would start out on use pass, and we would have to time it and not make them crash and land on their destination.
One thing we did also is go into a realistic flight simulator and fly from Colorado Springs in Colorado to Denver, the capital. It takes around 30 minutes. It's really cool and fun. We also been learning about navigation materials for aerospace engineering and all these cool stuff.
Yeah, so if you're interested in anything space or flying, you should definitely take this class.
In engineering design and development, the knowledge and skills students acquire throughout PLTW Engineering come together in engineering design and development as they identify an issue and then research, design, and test a solution, ultimately presenting their solution to a panel of engineers. Students apply the professional skills they have developed to document a design process to standards, completing engineering design and development ready to take on any post-secondary program or career. EDD is offered to students at Anna High School for the 2021-22 school year. And finally, Practicum in STEM is designed to give students supervised practical application of previously studied knowledge and skills. Practicum experience can occur in a variety of locations appropriate to the nature and level of experience. Practicum in STEM will be offered to students at Anna High School for the 2022-23 school year. The next program of study in STEM is Programming and Software Development. In the 21st century, coding is a foundational skill, just like reading and writing. In Computer Science 1, students will learn the foundations of computer science and basic programming, with an emphasis on helping students develop logical thinking and problem-solving skills. Once students complete the CodeHS Introduction to Computer Science course, they will have learned material equivalent to a semester college introductory course in computer science and be able to program in JavaScript. In Computer Science 2, students will learn the foundational concepts of computer science that will challenge them to explore how computing and technology can impact the world. With a unique focus on creative problem solving and real-world applications, computer science principles in Python prepare students for college and career. By the end of this course, students will learn basic programming skills as well as fundamental concepts about how computers and the internet work.
My name's Ethan,
And I'm Philip.
and we're working in a software called CodeHS in computer science. And right now we're coding in Python. Here's some stuff we've been working on so far.
So right now we've got an example of some code that, when run, draws a snowman. Right here, we've got some code that will draw a circle, and then whenever someone hits the keyboard, either the left or the right arrow, it either grows or shrinks. And then, for our last one, we've got some code that when run, if we click on the screen, it draws rectangles in different colors,
And there it goes.
and there it goes. So, if you are interested in anything like computer science, or game design, or anything that has to do with computers or coding, this is a class for you. You'll learn JavaScript, then Python, and then Java. So,
Yeah.
yay.
In Computer Science 3, students will be introduced to the Java programming language. The Introduction to Java course is designed to help students master the basics of Java with a focus on problem solving and algorithm development. Anna High School offers a practicum in information technology. Students will gain advanced knowledge and skills in the application, design, production, implementation, maintenance, evaluation, and assessment of products, services, and systems. Knowledge and skills in the proper use of analytical skills and application of IT concepts and standards are essential to prepare students for success in a technology-driven society. Critical thinking, IT experience, and product development may be conducted in a classroom setting with an industry mentor, as an unpaid or paid internship, as part of a capstone project, or as career preparation. Dual credit in programming and software development is also available to students at Anna High School. The final area of STEM that I would like to introduce you guys to is the Robotics Club, which is available to STEM students at Anna High School. We have created a short video to highlight all of the Anna High School Robotics Club's activities from the 2019 and 20 school year. That concludes the STEM program of study presentation. I look forward to meeting all the future STEM students when you get to Anna High School next year.